Hey guys, welcome back to Trendy Gadget. Today we'll talk about graphics cards. Let's head into it. Graphic cards. A video card is an expansion card which generates a feed of output images to a display device. Frequently, these are advertised as discrete or dedicated graphics cards, emphasizing the distinction between these and integrated graphics. At the core of both is the graphics processing unit or GPU, which is the main part that does the actual computations, but should not be confused with a video card as a whole, although GPU is often used as a metonymic shorthand to refer to a video card.
A graphics card is like a smaller version of your entire computer, but one dedicated to the task of figuring out how to put images on your screen.
Graphics cards prices show signs of pulling back. Tom's Hardware's GPU Pricing Index, which tracks graphics card prices based on eBay data, indicates that the upswing in prices may have come to an end. For instance, the price of the flagship NVIDIA RTX 3090 was down 4.4% in the first half of June, compared to the same period in May. It is worth noting that the RTX 3090's price dropped even though NVIDIA hasn't limited the hash rate of the card, which makes it more desirable for miners as it's capable of mining cryptocurrencies at faster speeds. In fact, the RTX 3090 delivers more than double the mining profits when compared to the previous generation RTX 2080 Ti. Meanwhile, the RTX 3080, 3070, 3060 Ti, and 3060 have limited hash rates and saw much bigger price declines. The RTX 3080's price fell 11.5%, the RTX 3070 saw an 8.5% decline, and the 3060 Ti's drop was 12.6% in the first half of June over the prior month. AMD's offerings also saw price declines, even though the chipmaker hasn't restricted the mining capabilities of its cards. Prices of the Radeon RX 6800 XT, the RX 6800, and the RX 6700 XT fell 6%, 8.1%, and 5.6% respectively, month over month. The downside is that the prices are still quite high when compared to manufacturer-suggested levels. The RTX 3080 has a manufacturer-suggested retail price of $699, but its market price was almost $2,000. According to Tom's Hardware's data, the cheaper RTX 3060 Ti is being sold for nearly $1,240 compared to MSRP of $399. So there's still a long way to go before graphics cards become affordable, but the recent price correction should gain more momentum.
These are the prices that have just been sort of a pipe dream for the past 9 months to a year because of the shortage, especially with stuff like the RTX 3080.
More price correction could be in the cards. Graphics card prices have dropped for two reasons. First, market leader NVIDIA has been trying to ensure an increased supply of graphics cards to miners so that they don't price gamers out of the market. The graphics card specialist has brought out specialized cryptocurrency mining processors to address demand from miners, and these chips have been a hit. NVIDIA sold CMPs worth $155 million in Q1. What's more, rumors suggest that the chipmaker is reportedly working on a more powerful CMP capable of outperforming the RTX 3090 with a hash rate that could be a third higher than the flagship GPUs. Such an offering could boost NVIDIA's top-line growth, as the cryptocurrency mining hardware market is expected to add $2.80 billion in revenue over the next 4 years, according to Technavio. The second reason why graphics card prices could be coming down is a slowdown in mining demand, freeing up more supply for gamers. According to third-party reports, demand for graphics cards for cryptocurrency mining in China, the world's biggest country in terms of mining, could be slipping because of government crackdown. John Petty Research reports that cryptocurrency miners bought 700,000 graphics cards in Q1, accounting for a fourth of the total GPU sold. So weak mining demand should ideally improve supply and help lower GPU prices. That's what's reportedly happening in China. The clampdown in mining has reportedly led to a reduction of up to 45% in graphics card prices, according to Tom's Hardware.
Don't buy any of these cards for the prices they're currently selling for. We want them to not sell for these prices so that these retailers have to keep lowering the prices.
What's in it for investors? NVIDIA stands to win big from an improved supply of graphics cards. The company has a huge installed base of users that are still running older generation GPUs. The modest level of RTX adoption in the gaming market bodes well for NVIDIA's gaming business. Meanwhile, NVIDIA's OEM business, which includes revenue from the sale of CMPs, also registered massive growth. The end market opportunity indicates that the OEM business could sustain comparable high growth levels going forward, as the mining market has scope for additional revenue. All of this indicates that nvidia is likely to remain a top growth stock, even if GPU prices come down, as gamers will keep making a beeline for its RTX 30 series cards and drive stronger volumes once supply improves. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it, hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.